Mrs. Mactivity is for schools and teachers looking for affordable and inspirational primary schemes of work and resources that genuinely save time whilst improving pupils' learning outcomes. With thousands of trusted resources and schemes of work created by specialists, Mrs. Mactivity resources are used by 20,000 and more teachers who want an easy-to-navigate website, inspiring ideas and engaging curriculum-aligned lessons. Since the pandemic, many teachers report that more and more children lack the foundational skills of reading and writing that enable them to experience success with phonics and early writing. With that in mind, we aim to solve that problem with our 8-week pre-reading and pre-writing scheme, Rhymetown. Included in Rhymetown are a series of lesson presentations with songs, sound effects, animations and audio, where possible using real-life photos rather than illustrations.
Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
The idea is that the teachers model the learning using the lesson presentations, and there are lots of prompts as well for the teacher within the lesson notes. The lesson presentation takes the teacher through each lesson and is referred to on the lesson plan. Here you can see a sample of the Rhymetown comprehensive planning, all linked to Phase 1. The planning is linked to the key foundational skills that children need for both pre-reading and pre-writing. The planning has been written in a comprehensive, easy to understand way so as not to overwhelm the teacher or practitioner. Included within Rhymetown are a series of downloadable and printable lesson resources. These are fully explained on the lesson plan and within the lesson presentation. Here you can see a sounds bingo board where children have to listen to the animal sound and place a counter on the correct animal. Here you see a pre-writing card. These are designed to help children with mark-making skills and are designed for provision areas. Here you can see a mark-making activity. Children are asked to mark-make a cross on the sheep to practice their fine motor and mark-making skills. And here you can see another activity where children are asked to put a cross in the circle to prove the prescription, thus creating context and a purpose for the activity.